Welcome to the iLearn tutorial for creating groups. Creating groups can be useful for setting exam exceptions, group submissions for assignments, or limiting forum posts. To create a group, go to the course site for which you would like to create a group. Click on Site Info in the left-hand menu. At the top of the page, click on Manage Groups. Then select Create New Group. Here you can give the group a title and description. The left-hand box contains all members of the site. Select the members you would like to be a part of this group. To select multiple students, you can use Control and mouse click. Once you have finished selecting the group members, you can use the single arrow to move them all to the new group. If you use the double arrow, all members will be moved. If you would like to remove a member from a group, you can select their name from the group member list and click on the left arrow to remove them. Once you are satisfied with the group, click Add. The group will now be available for you to use in various iLearn tools.